Welcome to our comparison of Kali Linux, Ubuntu, and Mint in 2025. Each of these distributions brings a unique flavor to the Linux world. Let's explore the user environments. How do they differ in terms of desktop experience? We'll now take a look at package management. Kali Linux, Ubuntu, and Mint each utilize different systems for software installation. Which of these distributions offers better performance on various hardware? Let's find out. Security is Kali Linux's forte. Let's highlight what makes it outstanding for penetration testing. Community support is vital. Here's a look at what resources are available for users in 2025. Customization can elevate your experience. How far can you tweak each system? Let's dive in. Understanding who should use each distribution is crucial. Let's take a look at the target audiences. What can users expect in 2025? Let's discuss the anticipated developments and updates. In conclusion, which distribution suits your needs best? Each has its strengths that cater to different user preferences.